YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a revolution. Millions of viewers are hungry for content. They are looking for entertainment, information, and connection. This is your chance to shine. You can build a community around your passion. Think about what you love. What are you good at? Sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm is the first step. YouTube gives you the power to reach a global audience. It's time to share your unique voice with the world. Don't be intimidated by the competition. Authenticity is key on YouTube. Be yourself and your personality will draw viewers in. The more passionate you are, the more your audience will connect with you. Remember, every YouTube giant started with 0 subscribers. Consistency and dedication are your allies on this journey. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive into some proven strategies for YouTube success. Before you hit record, let's talk strategy. What kind of content will resonate with your target audience? Think about their interests, needs, and what problems you can help them solve. Are you passionate about cooking? Create mouth-watering recipe tutorials. Do you love gaming? Share your skills and commentary with fellow gamers. The possibilities are endless. Once you've found your niche, focus on quality. High-quality videos with clear audio and visuals are essential. Good lighting and crisp editing can make all the difference. Remember, your content is king. Make it valuable, engaging, and shareable. Ask yourself, would I watch this? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. You've created amazing content. Now, let's make it easy for viewers to find. YouTube SEO is crucial for getting your videos in front of the right eyes. Think of keywords as signposts, guiding viewers to your content. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't underestimate the power of a compelling thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first impression. Make it visually appealing and relevant to your content. Engage viewers from the start with a captivating intro. Hook them in the first few seconds and keep them glued to the screen. Remember, YouTube rewards watch time. Section 4. The power of engagement, building a community around your content. YouTube is more than just uploading videos. It's about building a community. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of belonging. Create a call to action at the end of your videos. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your content. Make it easy for them to become part of your community. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Cross-promotion is a powerful way to reach new audiences. Team up with creators who share your values and target audience. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Be authentic, relatable, and let your passion shine through. Viewers connect with creators who are genuine and engaging. Section 5. Analyzing your success. YouTube Analytics as your secret weapon. YouTube provides a wealth of data to help you understand your audience. Dive into YouTube Analytics. Track your progress. See what's working and what's not. Pay attention to your watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. These metrics offer valuable insights into what resonates with your viewers. Experiment with different content formats, titles, and thumbnails. Use A/B testing to see what performs best and optimize your content accordingly. Remember, your YouTube journey is an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Embrace the data, make informed decisions, and watch your channel grow. Section 6. Lights, camera, action. Start your YouTube journey today. Congratulations! Now you have the tools to boost your YouTube subscribers. It's time to put these strategies into action. Remember, consistency is key. Upload new content regularly and stick to a schedule. Your audience will appreciate the predictability. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Engage with your community, analyze your progress, and never stop learning. The world of YouTube is waiting for your unique voice. Embrace the challenge, have fun, and watch your subscriber count soar. Now go out there and create something amazing.